Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to face Facebook dashboard option not showing. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily face this Facebook professional dashboard error. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store. Now once you open your App Store or your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for your Facebook application, and if your Facebook application is not updated, you have to update your Facebook to the latest version. So you can see my Facebook over here, it is updated to the latest version. So once you are done, all you need to do is to open your Facebook over here. So once you open your Facebook, you can see your profile. Just click on your profile and you can see the 3 lines in front of your profile. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see turn on professional mode. So you need to make sure you have turned on professional mode. So if your professional mode is off, you need to make sure it is on. And you can see my professional dashboard over here. So with this trick you can activate the Facebook professional dashboard on your Facebook account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a